Salut les Saiyans, donc ce matin on va à la salle pour un training de squat et bench, ou bench et squat, ça dépend l'ordre. Et ensuite, quand je reviens, je vous montre ce que je mange. Donc le squat, il y a 5 séries de 8 à 180 et le coucher, il y a 5 séries de 7 à 120. Donc voilà, boum, à tout à l'heure les Saiyans. Donc là, on a commencé par le bench aujourd'hui. Bon, là c'est Big John, on s'échauffe là à 80 et après on va monter tranquillement faire les 5 séries de 7 à 120.
But none of them be calling me. I hear the beat whispering, your beat talk to me. There's something overcome my person, I get versatile. Grab a pen and Sharpie, then my hands wanna hurt a few. Notebook pages, rate this channel through my pen tip. I think about my audience, don't wanna sound offensive. Words get distorted in the center of my orbit. Cause sometimes I aim to uplift but sound morbid. And other times I wanna sound peace but seem aggressive. It's hard to get my fans to understand my perspective. It's warped in the circuitry when something doesn't work for me. It's like I bring it close to the sun, like Mercury. To feel the center of my solar system, the older wisdom and mold the rhythm. So now I hit them with everything and anything, cause Vinny bring his soul to this. Dark clouds out of my mind, I shine goldeness. Pin smoke, watch the pin smoke. With Vince go, watch the pin, watch the pin smoke. Watch the pin smoke. Watch the pin smoke. Vince smoke. With Vince go, watch the pin smoke. Pristine vocalist and novelist from paying dues. Don't wanna be the type of MC to slay dudes like chess. I make moves. It's all about my kingship. That's why I wait for the BPM to let it rip. 20-minute sessions quick. I don't need a second lift to spit over my tracks, but yo, I got respect in this culture we call hip hop. But sometimes with Vin Rock, I feel like my aura's concealed inside a ziplock. And people want the fresh, I bring my best to the table though. I guess it's not about blowing like fellatio, but growing like the ratio. A whack to the realness. I pray my fans sit down and listen, they can feel this. Vince Scope fulfillment. I wrote it on a G-chat. Don't worry about my frame getting old, my soul will be back. Please convey the feedback. It helps when I sit down and cycle through my mind. Creation for like another round. Put me in the underground. Mind stay above the clouds. I can even prove it. Shine gon' help me bring the thunder down. Shine gon' help me bring the thunder down. Cause yo, somewhere I'm allowed to be the general of all sides and fight against forces about as wicked as apartheid. Remember pins be as mighty as the sword, and I swing them in my mental starship, so come aboard the course. For the charge, ascribed by nature, I write for the fruit of my life is my labor. Taste the flavor. Straight banger. Venomous, the Orchard and Steve. I grab the microphone. I grab the microphone and all of y'all that get stored. Grab the microphone and all of y'all that get stored. Grab the microphone and all of y'all that get stored.
Make a choice, right? You just decide what it's going to be, who you're going to be, how you're going to do it. Just decide. And then from that point, the universe is going to get out your way. It's like it's water. It wants to move and go around stuff, you know.
They say time waits for no man, so I don't sit idle. While others pray for miracles with hands on their Bibles, I was trained with survival by a lone single mother. The youngest knucklehead out of my 8 older brothers had to deal with lots of stress. Lost my father during 10 years, didn't know how I should react. It wasn't clean, clear. Younger black male without a record almost seemed rare. Without the helping hands of ancestors, I wouldn't be here. I count my blessings, you can keep counting dollars when you're ready for your mind elevation.
Ensuite on est passé au squat, donc là moi j'avais 5 séries de 8 à 180.
Roadblock yourself, heard the help come from deep inside. Life coach told me just do it, don't believe it, try.
Bon là je m'échauffe tranquille.
You could use a mistreated, listen, this is no secret. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I'm a vessel, send the message through your speaker. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I'm a vessel, send the message. Start moving like Rosaro. No, not design Bizarro. See tomorrow be the frame of mind. I keep this thing divine like precious cargo. Coasting Monte Carlo, being held by a strange force. You don't recognize, but we arrive from the same source. Speaking to my voice horse, been around the block once. Same living forces that bump to make the South crunk. Origins and fellowship, see it up in my birthmarks. Bear resemblance, the spirit infinite, the look is stark. Baba S, you hold me up during my crossroads.
Première série à 180, donc ça m'a paru lourd ce matin, mais bon, on a fait le taf. C'est des séries de 8 reps, 5 séries de 8.
My legacy, after politicking with commissions from the deputy, living life recklessly. That's not my therapy. I build for what better me, like clay stone effigies. Thunder in the melodies, bring gift like a registry. King Obatala, delete the dirt from your peasantry. I bow down to higher power, running all things. Primordials holding me up like a drawstring. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I'm a vessel, send the message through your speaker. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I walk with the force of the Orisha. I'm a vessel, send the message through your speaker. King of Atala, Baba Eshu, Baba Oku, Iya Yemaya, Iya Oshu, Iya Oya, Baba Osun, Baba Arumila, Baba Shango, Iya Egbe, Baba Oloku, Baba Luaye. All you need is within yourself. So tell everybody. All you need is within yourself. Tell everybody. Yo. All you need is within you. The legacy continues. My spirit when I die is like the force that's in again. You praying harder than a Hindu when you down on all your luck. And your back's against the wall, pressing you hard to give it up. They say your life is struck by misfortune. It happens often. The evil of a darkling parasite that's steady haunting, causing all the loss of focus. When actions get hopeless, feeling like the change left you the brokest. No one approaches, hold us alive. We survive the hard times for learning. Don't let them bloodsuckers take your rainbow to the serpent. Can't stop what's determined when it's burning in your inners. Don't be fooling, think you fall into the pool of losing sinners. Winter's coming, so prepare for it. You can't ignore it. Your eyes, the doorways to the soul. Let's go explore it, cause according to the ancients, we've been fooled by fronting leaders. Transforming spirit knowers into scared and deaf believers. Reap a circle in the skies, lies a circle in your mind. See the first person to move should be the first person to guide.
Dernière série, j'ai pas filmé la quatrième, donc voilà, c'est la dernière. Training done.
The rhymes, elements are found within. Universe surrounding him, building the highest peak, but had to start from out the mountain bend. Empowering my mental stem, taking this with a Lord paid.
Let's go hit!
Until it's in the hallways, for those that searching more ways to build the finding moments. Keep exercising your mental gifts like this was all aerobics. The doors have been open. Anything you ask for, just really into your strike zone. Just like a fastball. The light picture, play the game to win and share it. It's a simple truth that most know about, but can't bear it. Grab a mirror, stare it down. To the self, think commence to recite these words. You got everything within you.
Donc là, j'ai une frite comme je vous ai montré. Le poulet, il y a 280 grammes, il y a 300 grammes en fait, même. Donc ça fait à peu près 80 grammes de protéines, pas tout à fait. Et les frites, je vous ai dit les macros tout à l'heure, vu qu'il y a à peu près 50 grammes de glucides, il y a 8 grammes, il y a 9 grammes de lipides, à peu près on va dire, même pas, et une salade d'endives. Donc pour le repas de midi, je vais sûrement manger une barre Quest ou un autre dessert, je sais pas quoi, peut-être ça, ou alors un cône extrait de barre glacée qui fait à peu près 198 calories, 9 grammes de lipides, donc j'ai à peu près 40-50 grammes, c'est à moi de budgéter. Donc comme je vous ai dit, c'est à vous de budgéter sur votre total de la journée de macro et de les dispatcher comme vous voulez, au petit-déj, à midi, avant le training, pré-training, après c'est à vous de voir. Donc voilà, comme vous préférez. Donc la flexibilité c'est ça. Après les aliments je varie selon les jours. Il y a des jours j'ai envie de manger du riz, des fois j'ai envie de manger des frites. Bah, je le fais parce que je sais que si j'ai une envie, je préfère le manger. En plus je sais que c'est pas forcément très calorique, il suffit de respecter certaines portions. Donc voilà, si vous voyez bien, mais j'ai rentré les macros en scannant des frites qui sont là. C'est des frites fraîches, hein, classiques, au four. Donc les macros pour les frites, pour 100 grammes, il y a 146 calories, 4 grammes de lipides, glucides 23,5 et protéines 2,5. Bon, j'ai mangé et j'ai préparé 225 grammes, la moitié du sachet. Donc voilà, elles sont en train de cuire. Hein. Dans le four, on voit pas grand chose. Voilà le repas de ce midi. Donc les frites, comme je vous ai parlé, donc il y a 225 grammes de frites. Donc je vous ai dit les macros, environ 300 calories, environ 9 grammes de lipides, 5 grammes de protéines, 50 grammes de glucides, la viande. Donc il y a 300 grammes de bœuf, ça doit faire dans les 70-80 grammes de prot. J'ai pas le chiffre exact là. Et la salade d'endive, voilà. Et donc comme je vous ai dit, je mangerai sûrement un dessert. Peut-être une glace ou peut-être une mousse au chocolat. Donc voilà, on va commencer à manger. Je vous dis à plus tard les 7.